jump out of an airplane at 28,000 feet without a parachute. What was he thinking? He had a net on the ground. He had a net going all the way down there, and he did it. He actually did it. I got to tell you, if you don't watch Aikins right after you watch it, if you watch that whole thing, okay, jumping over the net, like a big fish right up there, just diving right into it. It's insane the way he did it. Well, we're going to talk to him here in a second. Look at the helicopter. Like a 3-ring circus out here. We know what's
They're right over his head.
All right, we'll leave you to it.
All right, everybody watch Kevin.
Luke Aikins, now out of the helicopter in free fall.
What a way to make an entrance.
Dude, I'll say.
Now, I'm up here shoot. I got a fine show center. Here we are. Looking for our air boss on there, Kelly, and getting ready to set up for a nice landing.
All right. Starting to warm up now, huh?
Yeah, as I steer my parachute, you'll see I can go downwind very fast. I can't go into the wind very fast. So I gotta judge it and glide in for a nice tiptoe landing here. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, see ya.
I only brought 2 pairs of pants.
Kevin Coleman now taking center stage. Look at these things. It's perfect.
It's Kevin Coleman's birthday. He's from Louisiana. We gave him a birthday cake this morning at the briefing. Kelly did, the air boss. And while he's dipsy-doodling here and pulling some G's, Aaron's climbing higher above in the helicopter. And Luke's going to tell us why. Luke Aiken, if you're trying to put a face to the name, all over social media, jumping out of a helicopter. So let's watch. Okay. He's going to jump out and soar across the sky horizontally.
Yes, you can see as Mike has built up speed now. You might see his terminal velocity in the wingsuit. So he's going forward at about 150 miles an hour forward. Kevin is spiraling right around him, holding a constant G as he tumbles around. Mike as he flies his parachute. When Mike gets down here, he's going to fly up and in, and then he'll deploy his parachute when he gets to the other end of the field. Mike's got about 28,000 skydives at this point in his career. Been jumping for about 30 years. Nice. So if you've seen any skydiving in recent movies, Transformers, Point Break, anything with skydiving in it, Mike's been in almost all of those. In the heat, bring the heat, and then he's going to go ahead and turn that thing up inside down.
Former Army hero pilot, I guess.
Just doesn't look right.
No. Talk about that rigid rotor system on that thing. It's a spectacle in itself and a marvel of engineering.
Yeah, what allows Aaron to be able to do this is the BO-105. He has a titanium rigid rotor head system. Giant block of titanium rotor head. That allows for a little bit of rough ride when you're riding around, but also allows for the helicopter to be essentially tame. It's designed for EMS services over there in Europe. Sorry, Rick.
I have no idea.
I don't know when it's going to happen.
Well, a new pair of pants. Please report to the announcers.
Oh my God. Truly wearing khaki vest.
Yep.
Stop. Just stop.
They asked you for it.
Now you can actually forward with this thing too, which is just right now you're rolling and turn back around and look, you have flown in it or something. I mean, it must feel as long as it looks.
Yeah, I mean, when I went for a ride with it the first time, the barrel rolls, the aileron, whatever, the B-rolls, it feels pretty normal. Some of these maneuvers actually does the front flip, and it does an actual back flip, so hover and roll that thing over. It just feels all kinds of wrong in helicopter. But Aaron's been practicing and training for this for a long time. He was an airborne ranger, not flying in the military, but got out, always wanted to fly helicopters. Oh.
Well, that explains. That's the bridge. He is California. I was just going to say he went to California the whole way. Is he going to do his favorite maneuver today?
Forward, backwards, and down.
I know it's his favorite.
God, the privilege. Here's before the announcer stand. What do they say?
We can add something else to the list here for Rick. Goodness gracious.
Tucks it over, pulls it backwards, and slides back down. He's going to do another one. He's actually going to roll forward on his nose.
Oh my goodness. Oh man.
This looks like a toy.
Very expensive toy.
Yes. I think he's doing it, but he's going for the energy. Into the wind. So as Aaron comes up to the top, come to a stop, push forward at the top. Upside down, they do a 180-degree pedal turn, spin it around, and come back down the other side. That's called the boat turn. The boat turn, boat turn. Watch it, we're going to get into that. So pay attention to that. Doing an opposite. He gets up here, comes to a stop. He's going to shove that thing forward. Oh, upside down. 180 forward pedal turn, back down. Rotates that helicopter. Let's see, it's a tiny little flip around the top. Watch it go. Flip it over. So when he comes back around and bows, everybody let's give him a big wave.
This is his favorite.
All right, nice job, Aaron.
Whoa, watching him. Oh,
Where he does on the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 12 and a half, 13. That is racing. I get sick just watching. Oh, that's just... To say aggressive flying is an understatement.
and it's his birthday day. We've been saying that all day, but it really is Kevin Coleman's birthday now.
He does things with this plane that I didn't think was possible. Sometimes when it's flipping and tumbling around, it's like someone just throws a plane up in the air, a little kid throwing a plane in the air. But he stops it on a dime, right on the line he's lined up for. If you watch this routine any one of the last 3 days, it looks like Dennis is back over the practice. As preparation goes into Kevin, and he's rolling. When a box of hits, please report to the announcer stand immediately. Coming out of the box in some of these corners, he's pulling upwards of 10 G's as he rounds that corner. That means his body's weighing 10 times what it weighs when he's sitting here normally. Not only is that going on, he has to pull up and hit all of his lines just perfect. He's able to do this by doing lots of practice flights. He flies 3 to 4 times a week. He's an athlete. Listen to that engine too, like the, oh man. For the love of God. That one's got me a little bit. Not going to push out of this, is he? If there's an easy way and a hard way, Kevin finds the hard way. He likes the negative. Keep pushing that over. Feels like your head's about to pop off when you're pushing through that corner there. As he comes up to the top, catches his breath, I'm sure. And no kidding. And we're uncomfortable in the mugginess and the heat down here. He's experiencing that plus the negative and the positive G's. He's working hard for you there. Speaks to his fitness though and his G tolerance. Peak season right now and he's loving it. Ricky, how you doing? I actually saw that one coming. Oh, those negative G's again. Hello, lunch, hello, breakfast even. All the fluids moving up in your body, pushed up in your body. Now he's taking a break, but just
That's right. You're right, though. I've never seen a guy hang upside down so much. Like a bat, this guy. Lots of those negative G's.
I wonder if he doesn't go back to the hotel room tonight. He just can't put his heels up into the closet, probably. Sure, the airplane's purpose-built for aerobatics, but it's the pilot that puts the precision into it, the art in the sky, and he is so precise in his flight. Kevin Coleman. To watch. So this is new to his routine. Kevin added some inverted outside loop, 8-sided outside loop in his routine here as he comes to the top. So watch when he comes down the bottom and he pushes through. This is a lot of G's inverted. He's experiencing about 9 G's on his head as he comes around here and pushes through. I haven't seen anybody else do this. And his eyes, that way, he must look like a catfish. If anybody's used to the weather, hot, humid, hazy conditions, it's our Louisiana, the Kevin Coleman, Mr. Mudbug. As we let the music roll and enjoy Kevin's last couple of passes, I want to thank everybody here at Dayton from the Red Platform. We've had a great time and look forward to catching you again next time.
Luke Aikins and the Red Bull Air Force, ladies and
I'm
gentlemen.
loving it. Love that Kevin Coleman and Aaron Fitzgerald up there. Luke Aikins and Mike. Man, what a great job.
He's got to push the nose down. He's still falling. Right about now, he can fly. But he's totally confident. He knows he can get there because he's got it all measured out precisely. He's practiced it thousands of times. 3 times a week takes to the sky and does it over and over and over again. Knows exactly where he is at any given time. Totally in control. Kevin Coleman and his birthday.